would be one more cell organelle, double membrane bound cell organelle, chloroplast. Okay. See, chloroplast also has two membranes, outer membrane, inner membrane. And within the chloroplast, you can find that the space is filled with stroma. In mitochondria, we call it as matrix. Here it is stroma. And we have, within the stroma, there are thylakoids. Thylakoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins. They are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins. So we call them as grana. Okay? So we call them as grana. Singular is grana, plural is grana. Remember about that. So the thylakoids are all arranged one above the other like a pile of coins. We call that group as granum. And now these granum are interconnected by thylakoids, which we also call it as stroma thylakoids or stroma lamella or thread. See, stroma lamella can also be called as stroma thylakoids. It can also be called as thread. These are all other names that they use. Thread ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Then granum thylakoids ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಈ thylakoid ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಬರೀ thylakoid ಇದ್ರೆ we call it as granum thylakoid. Individual unit, what do we call it as? Thylakoid. Since they are found within the granum, we call it as granum thylakoid. Okay, so that is what you have to remember about. And they also have DNA within them. A small amount of DNA would be there, and they are found within the chloroplast. They also have ribosomes within the chloroplast, and they are of what type? 70S ribosomes. They are of prokaryotic nature. Okay, they are having 70S type of ribosomes. So they are all interconnected by the thread lamella, or we also call it as stroma lamella or thread, or stroma thylakoids. They are interconnecting the granums. What is granum? They are made up of a pile of thylakoids, which are arranged just like a coins, one above the other. A pile of coin-like structures, we completely call them as granum. So remember about the sectional part of the chloroplast. Now when you enlarge this chloroplast, the thylakoids, and observe it, you notice that the thylakoid has photosystem 1, photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 are marked it with smaller circle, photosystem 2 with larger circle. It is also called as pigment system 1, pigment system 2. This diagram is not given in your textbook. But when you have to understand photosynthesis, this you should be knowing about. Whereas in thread, this region is nothing but the stroma lamella or thread or stroma thylakoid. They have only one type of photosystem, photosystem 1. So if cyclic photophosphorylation has to take place, it takes place in thread. For non-cyclic photophosphorylation, they require both pigment system or photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Okay, already madam has discussed about that, photosynthesis. Okay, so remember about that, for non-cyclic photophosphorylation, they require both photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. If at all non-cyclic photophosphorylation has to take place, where does it take place? In granum thylakoids. In stroma thylakoid, they can undergo only cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, stroma is the space. Stroma, what they undergo is Kelvin cycle. In stroma, what do they undergo? C3 cycle or Kelvin cycle. So chloroplast is found in plants. You know about the cell organelle. It has an important function of trapping the solar electromagnetic radiation, capturing, conserving and converting it into chemical energy. Light energy, that is solar electromagnetic radiation, SEMR, is captured, conserved and converted into chemical energy, that is glucose or starch, by what? By the dye pigment, that is green dye pigment, that is nothing but chloroplast. Okay. So this is what you have to remember regarding this part of it. Now in chlamydomonas, they have only one chloroplast per cell, whereas in case of alga is singular, algae is plural. Okay. So they have more than 20 to 40 chloroplasts per cell. Whereas in Chlamydomonas they have only one chloroplast. Okay. So that you just remember about. Now all these chloroplasts are studied under the topic of plastids. Plastids, they are structures found within the plant cell. Now plastids are of different types based on type of pigments. Plastids are of different types. They are chloroplasts, chromoplasts, leucoplasts. Chloroplasts are green plastids. Okay, they are green pigments. They have chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Carotenoids are also there within this chloroplast. Then chromoplasts, they are coloring bodies and things. Chromoplasts are coloring bodies, and they are going to be responsible for various colors of the plant. Okay, it might be red, yellow, and other things. Majorly chromoplasts, what do they contain? They have this carotenoids, xanthophyll. Xanthophyll is yellow pigment, carotenoids is orangish red in pigment. Okay, so you find this fat-soluble carotenoids and xanthophyll in chromoplasts. They are also called as coloring bodies. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids, colorless bodies. Now most of them store food or other substances in various ways. If they store carbohydrates, especially starch, we call them as amyloplasts. If they are going to store oil droplets and fats, the colorless bodies, so we call them as elaioplasts. Elaioplasts. And if they are going to store the proteins, alluronplasts or alluroplasts. In your state syllabus books, they would have mentioned it as alluron, R-O-N-E, but in your NCERT books, they have given it as alluroplasts. They are going to store proteins. So the colorless bodies which are storing different substances, according to the substance, they are called as amyloplasts, elaioplasts or alluroplasts. Now if you look into photosynthesis, they have two major reactions. Light reactions where they are a photochemical reaction, dark reaction which is a biochemical reaction. For light reaction they require light. Light reaction is taking place in majorly non-cyclic photophosphorylation as taking place in the thylakoids of granum. Where is cyclic photophosphorylation taking place? In stroma lamella or thread, or it is also called as stroma thylakoid. Almatra. Why? Because for cyclic photophosphorylation only photosystem 1 is sufficient. For non-cyclic photophosphorylation they require photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. It is also called as pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. Okay? As the name indicates, photophosphorylation, synthesis of ATP in presence of light. It's a photochemical reaction. One of the important reactions which synthesizes food, because of chloroplasts, the plants are called as autotrophs. They can synthesize their own food. From this produces, the food passes on to all the levels, from herbivores to carnivores to detrivores. You should just remember about that. So dark reaction is taking place in stroma. Where is dark reaction taking place? Stroma. Dark reaction is a biochemical reaction. What is that reaction? Kelvin or C3 cycle. The next thing that you have to understand about is the cell organelle ribosomes. Ribosomes are also called as protein factories of the cell. Ribosomes are also called as protein factories of the cells. They are found associated with endoplasmic reticulum. So we call it as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they help in the synthesis of proteins. Okay. And ribosomes are of two types. Prokaryotes, they are having 70S type with where S stands for Swedberg unit. It is sedimentation coefficient. I have told you about that. 70S with a larger. If you look into it, it looks like a snowman. Only the carrot is missing. So they have a smaller unit and a larger subunit. Okay. Smaller subunit in case of 70S is 30S. Larger subunit is 50S. Okay. So this is 50S, 30S in case of 70S type. In case of 80S type, they have a smaller subunit of 40S and a larger subunit of 60S. This is found in eukaryotic organisms. But 70S type of ribosomes are also noticed in mitochondria, they are also noticed in chloroplast, 70S. Even though they are eukaryotic organisms, within the cell organelle, you find 70S type. Okay, that is the thing that you have to remember about the ribosomes, the larger subunits, smaller subunits. So prokaryotic will be having 70S type of ribosomes, where S stands for Swedberg unit, and it has a larger subunit of 50S, smaller subunit of 30S. In case of eukaryotic organism, it is 80S type with a larger subunit of 60S and a smaller subunit of 40S. Now 70S type of ribosomes are also found in eukaryotic organisms in the cell organelles like mitochondria and as well as chloroplast. So that is what you have to remember for today's study, where we have discussed about chloroplast as well as the structure of ribosomes.